Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the Ultimate Science Kit Experiments. Welcome to our channel,
LiNaKAlBeCa.
Yes, so today we are going to do another cool experiment which is
Multi-layered liquid.
Yes, so what do we need for this?
We need test tube, stirring stick, red color, yellow color, water, cooking oil and honey.
Okay, so let us put up our setup. Okay, so first we need a test tube.
A stirring stick,
Yes.
red color, yellow color,
Okay. Red color and yellow color.
water, cooking oil and honey from home.
Okay, so first, what is the first step?
The first step is measure 10 ml honey in the measuring cylinder and carefully pour it into the test tube.
Okay, so we need 10 ml of honey. Yes. Okay, so is it ready?
Yes.
Okay, we'll pour it into the test tube. Okay, there the honey is inside the test tube. Okay, let's remove these things a little. Okay, so we are making multi-layered liquid. So we need more than one liquid because it's multi-layered. So what is the next step?
Next step, we need to add 15 ml of water in the measuring cylinder and then add 2 drops of yellow color and mix using a stirring stick.
Okay, so now we need to add water. So
To the measuring cylinder.
yes. Okay, so is the 10 ml water ready? Show it
No,
here.
15 ml.
Okay, we should mix yellow color into the water.
15 ml.
Oh, 15 ml water. Okay, it's
Oh.
okay. So we have 15 ml of water, and we should put 2 drops of yellow color into it. So we'll have a yellow colored water. Okay. Now this yellow color 15 ml of water, we should put it inside the test tube which contains honey. Oh my god, wow.
Then next step, measure 10 ml cooking oil in the measuring cylinder and pour it into the test tube.
Okay, so now we have to get cooking oil. How much?
10 ml.
Okay, into this measuring cylinder. Pour it. 10 ml. Pour. Oh, it's a little bit more. It's okay. Come on. I think we should reduce it a little.
No, it's enough.
Okay, pour it into the test tube. Enough. Yeah, that's enough.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 3 different liquids. I can clearly see them.
We need to add, now next step, we need to add 2 drops of red color into the test tube. Close the lid and shake it. Wait for the liquids to settle down to see 3-layer test tube.
Okay,
so
so
we
now
need
we
to
should
red
add
color.
red color into the test tube and shake it. I wonder what's going to happen. 2 drops, 1 and 2. Oh,
It's on the oil.
it's floating on the oil.
Now we need to close the lid and shake.
Is it even shaking?
Right.
What's happening to it? Oh, great. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay,
Okay, so we should keep it for 2 minutes and check out what's happening. So we'll be back after 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes are done and look what happened. Oh my god.
There are 3 layers of liquids.
Yeah.
Down there is honey settled, middle there is water, and at top there is oil.
Yes, look at this. The honey is here. Then in middle there is the water and on top there is the oil. So what did we observe here?
After 2 minutes, did you see 3 clearly separated layers of honey, water and oil in the test tube?
Yes.
Concept. Different kinds of liquid taken same quantity have different weight. This is also known as density. Honey being the heaviest settles at the bottom and oil being the lightest floats on the top.
Okay, wow, we got a multi-layered liquid. So hope you enjoyed this video. I know this was a bit shorter than our other videos, but I really enjoyed looking at this. Oh, look at this now. See, there is a perfect band, red color band. If you can see, 1 minute. I think it's out of focus. Yeah, look at this. There's a red color band, and then there's the water and the honey down, then the oil which is on top. So this was our experiment of multi-layered liquid. So I hope you enjoyed, and do check out our other videos as well, and make sure to
Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon when you subscribe.
Yes, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and
Bye bye.
bye-bye.